Hey everyone, welcome back. Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. And on today's vehicle showcase, we have for you two 2021 Ford Interceptor utilities outfitted for the Adams County Sheriff's Department. Two just alike vehicles, so similar units with identical aftermarket equipment. And you know the drill, we'll start by going over the front. This vehicle is currently in a drive mode, position 3, so slide 3 active. We have the white flashing and the light bar. OEM headlight flashers are active. We also have two Whelen microns in the OEM location on the grille there, so red on the driver's side, blue on the passenger. Moving along to the side, in the OEM location at the side of the headlight, we have a blue-white vertex. On the opposite side of this vehicle, we have a red-white. So this is something, again, that's going to be active in position 3. Since the unit doesn't have a push bumper, anything hanging off the front to give us side warning intersection, we're utilizing that OEM spot there for the hideaway. Underneath each mirror, we have the Whelen Lens V2. Mirror light with the vehicle. Red on the driver's side, blue on the passenger side, and we will get puddle light functionality out of that as well. For the light bars, we have the Whelen 54-inch Senator Duo. So we have red, blue with full white override and amber override in the rear. If we skip on over to the next vehicle, we'll get a good look at the Tracer. This is a solo unit. Red and blue combination. Rear cargo window, Whelen Tion Duo red blue. And before we go into the back of this, we can pause and take a good look at the graphics that our team here at Market Graphics had completed on this unit. Rear of the vehicle, interior side of the hatch, we have the Phoenix light stick. That is a 6-head unit, and I believe we have a 180-degree optic on those light heads. Exterior of the hatch, we have the Whelen Tion Duo red blue, alternating the colors there. Some more aftermarket equipment. We have the OPS storage unit. This is a single drawer unit, 12-inch depth. We have some added rails on the top here for storage. You can put tie downs there. Locking function and a real simple and smooth operating handle and glide there. And we also have these on the 12-inch bracket, so we have a substantial amount of storage space underneath this box. So no wasted space there. Whelen compartment light underneath the hatch here. That's going to be operated on a Mercury switch. So the switch was in the white position. We also have the red position on this 3-way rocker switch right here. So when that hatch went up, this light automatically activated. And again, as it goes down, we'll get the lights active on the outside. Those will shut off as we go up. And we also get the Whelen Tions, or Tions, I'm sorry, active underneath the hatch here, solo red, solo blue. So hands-free functionality. Our clients love that. We love that. You see a lot of it. And we can carry on to the interior side of the vehicle. Gard prisoner containment equipment. So we have the recess panel partition, center sliding window. We don't do a whole lot of it, but this one actually has the expanded metal over that the sliding portion of the window. So if we open up that window, we still have the protection here with the expanded metal. Transport seat with the outboard seat belts, poly rear barrier, and we also have the poly window barriers, OEM door panel, and Ford kindly provides us with blank out panels here to replace the handle and window switch. We'll take a look inside this vehicle. For the console equipment, Havis equipped vehicle specific angled console with the internal printer mount. We have our Whelen HHS siren, customer supplied radio cup holders, armrests, 2 gun locks there in the recess panel, and we also have a universal laptop cradle on the motion device here atop the console. So one thing to notice here as well, we also have this light bar, or this control system in park mode. So we have the arrow stick going left. If the officer's on a traffic stop, the arrow is actually guiding traffic to the left. And we also have the slow flash. So at the front of the vehicle, this is going to be a split bar. We can actually make our way around if we'd like. Split bar, slow flash. All the other light heads around the vehicle are still maintaining their speed and sync, but the light bar, the majority of that light there is going to go down to a slower and more blocky configuration. Makes the vehicle a little bit more visible, makes things a little bit less intense for the officer on the side of the road. And again, being in park, we don't have any of our white flash going, vertexes are killed, and the headlight flashers are inactive. Thanks again for following along, folks. Stay tuned for the next showcase. Plenty more to come. We've got a lot of work coming down the line, and summer's really heating up. We got some really cool projects coming down, so stay tuned. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and give us a call if we can help you out. 717-473-3843. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.